My name's Jo and I'm the Conference and Events Manager here at beautiful Kirkton Park in the Hunter Valley. We are a very old establishment. It's very dignified and regal. Kirkton Park has 5 different facilities on site. We can cater for up to 200 in our Hunter Rothbury room, which is faces over the beautiful valley. We also have our signature boardroom areas, Manor House, which is fantastic as well. And we run a lot of business conferences and obviously weddings. And we are very much focused on sustainability and our Green Engage policy. I think the BRITA Dispenser System really fits in with our culture that we believe in here, with our sustainability and our ethics and value in looking after our property. The branded bottles have been received fabulously by our staff. They love them, they quite identify with them. Our customers absolutely love them. So prior to installing the BRITA system, we had a lot of issues with our storage, with wastage disposal units, and also for our staff. There was a lot of lifting and carrying involved throughout the different sites. We're very much focused on environmental change and sustainability. We've just installed our solar system as well, and the BRITA system, where we're using our water rather than bottled water, fits completely with our property. The BRITA water system is minimal cents per day. We estimate our running costs to be minimal, our leasing costs to be minimal, and overall to have massive savings as opposed to buying in bottled water. I would recommend the BRITA water system specifically for the quality of the product, the fantastic customer service from the sales team, and the great client experience that they offer.